amazing.
The way it works, children get to know science and learn to associate, for example, magnetism or wind, sound with some activities in everyday life.
In this workshop, I learned that there are two types of magnets, south and north.
We can use magnetism, for example, if we open the fridge to take something from the fridge, and when we leave it open, it closes by itself because it has these two magnets that connect. I like the flying summer the most. We glued it and we put one paper clip, and then with the help of another magnet, we moved it with that.
In this way, children develop a love of science, learn to explore and use the materials available to them to create some new things, some new inventions, and to study everything on their own.